business is KB Brats, and my son and I own it together, and we try to sell German food up here. German bratwurst, sauerkraut, Reuben sandwich. My favorite is the Mettwurst, what is similar to your sausage on the stick. So we are here Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11:30 to 6. We try to get all the festivals around the area where we can be. We went to Wiley a couple times already. We went to the rodeo last weekend. Of course, we were here on Main Street on 4th of July. That was awesome. We're working on the Rowlett people to get a little bit opener to all that.